Okay, so you're probably now wondering, what do current students have to say about their experiences studying in the ECSE department? We did a survey of second to fourth year ECSE engineers, and we asked them, what 3 words sum up your experiences in electrical engineering so far? And what we did, we took this survey and we put it into a word cloud. And if we have a look, here's what it looks like. So you can see, the biggest word that comes up is challenging. And other large words that come up are interesting, rewarding, future, maths, complex, and robots. And don't forget the one on the right there, fun. So this should give you an idea of what to expect if you get into electrical and computer systems engineering.
Okay, so you've heard us try and tell you what electrical and computer systems engineering is all about, but you probably don't really trust us, do you? So we decided to get some students to ask some students what they think about electrical and computer systems engineering.
Have you ever wondered how a laptop works when you press the on button, or how you can communicate with anyone in any part of the world, or how you can transmit power across an entire country? Well, electrical engineering shows you the way.
It's great. You get to study a bit of telecom, power electronics, circuits.
Along the way, you're going to burn yourself, you're going to burn some components, you're going to melt some things. But I think it's really great part of the actual course. You get to do a lot of things hands-on, and you get to make those mistakes now. So when you get to industry, you're not destroying thousands of dollars of equipment.
I really enjoy programming, and the background I've gotten from the computer systems engineering component of the course has really aided in my programming abilities.
They're now teaching C and C++, which will be very helpful in the future, and a really good leadway to learning other programming languages.
Computer architecture is certainly my favorite subject because I want to go into integrated circuit design. It's awesome in a way, and it's also very modern and very current.
Design projects. One of the most interesting one is the third year design unit, where people have to form a group.
Building that robot is it's a fantastic experience, and you learn a lot in electronics just from doing that.
Why did I choose ECSE? Because
electricity is the most versatile form of energy. You can warm up your houses. It's powering your mobile phones, your laptops.
I don't really like cars or aeroplanes. Well, they're cool, but I don't want to study them.
I wanted to know more about the things I use every day, like my laptop, my phone, and the internet.
When I was younger, I always looked at a motherboard, and I always wanted to know why the capacitor was there or what it does. Now I know how the whole computer works.
Because of that, I thought, you know what, electrical engineering is for me. Electrical engineering differs from a lot of other types of engineering, where very cheaply and easily you can build and try out everything that you're learning at university. So just last week I fixed a friend's guitar amp, and I fixed a treadmill that I found on the street, and it's really applicable and really engaging.
I managed to fix my TV last week and my VCR the other week.
Fix my TV next week.
You get a lot of support from the department, so you're always able to approach lecturers and ask for help.
They're very collaborative, so if you don't know what you're doing, someone else in your class will, and you can just ask around.
All of the lecturers are really passionate about their unit material, and they all are very, very knowledgeable about their own subjects, and you can ask them after class about anything you want to.
The older students are really helpful in offering their advice, same with demonstrators and lecturers. There's always help desk times and consultations you can go to if you're confused, and you will be confused, so that's really useful.
The electrical lab's really good actually, because they have all the tools we need, all the wires, all the resistors, capacitors, parts, DC power supplies, oscilloscopes. We students can't afford that kind of equipment, so it's good that we can have it here at uni, where we spend most of our time anyway.
But only electrical engineering has lecturers who are willing to come sing a parody song on electrical engineering.
One of the most important things for me to talk about when talking about ECSE would have to be the final year project. I'm working on an AM software radio, so essentially what that is it's a wideband radio that take the entire AM spectrum and then demodulate in hardware.
Currently, the idea for our FYP is to create a guitar-playing robot that will assist people who have lost the use of one of their arms in order for them to play.
I'm currently researching acoustic detection of partial discharges in high voltage insulation, and I'm currently conducting research in the high voltage laboratory, and it's really exciting and really engaging and on the forefront of technology. So hopefully I'll be able to publish a paper by the end of this year and show my research to the world.
The AirGrip project is us building a robotic hand and arm to be controlled by a device called the Leap Motion, which is similar to a Kinect, and it tracks your hand and finger movements, and we're using that to control the robotic hand and arm.
So the programming language I used is JavaScript. I had to learn JavaScript from scratch because it's a whole new programming language that never taught us before. However, the units that I learned during my second year and third year immensely helped me to understand the language really easily.
Stimulating.
Practical.
Engaging.
Electric.
Robot.
Robots.
Circuit.
Broad.
Tiring.
Shocking.
Teamwork.
Rewarding.
Tesla coils.
Versatile.
Practical.
Hard work.
Wonderful.
Challenging.
Challenging.
Really hard.
Challenging.
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 What else is there?
Worth it.
Current.
Rewarding.
Fun.
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 Fiber optics.
Fascinating.
Really engaging.
And also very employable. ECSE isn't going anywhere in the future. Computer programming is useful, electronics design is useful, and none of that's going anywhere. So I think employable is also another very good word.
Dodge, duck, dip, dive, and dodge.